Hey there YouTube fans, how you going, man? So you're having problems with your VideoMic Me-C from Rode. VideoMic Me-C. So I'm using the VideoMic and I just got it. I bought an open box one, and after about 45 seconds all hell broke loose on the recording, and I was so upset, and I was thinking, I've got a faulty microphone. What am I going to do? I really, the sound quality on these is really awesome, as you see. So let's cut to the chase. I want you, if you're having problems, I want you to go to the Google Play Store and download Rode, R-O-D-E, Reporter, Rode Reporter app. So with that app, you'll go into settings, and if you see a firmware update, I want you to click on that. Now, the good news is the firmware update is very fast. Now, of course, after you've downloaded it, you have to plug in this microphone, right? Or else it's not going to update anything. Download the app, put your microphone into the USB-C side, and then hit firmware update. So now we're at 1 minute 26-27 in the recording, and I don't have any issues. And I think problem solved. I'm pretty sure, because it would have started complaining at about 45 minutes. All sorts of digital noise and stuff. I'm using a Samsung A53 phone to record on with that mic plugged in. I hope this helps you. It helped me. I'm really happy. Listen to the sound quality. I've got a clock in this room. I turned my air conditioner off. The door's open. You see my cupboard's open. Typical mess for me. But the quality of these, I'm arm's length. I'm pretty tall. But I'm at arm's length. So that would be, about a meter away. And the quality is still pretty good. So far, so good. Got the dead cat on, big, fat, fluffy thing. I don't think it's in shot as well, because the camera is actually over this side, that side. So that's good. All right, I'll leave it there. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Teacher Sal out. God bless.